You look great.
Best I've ever looked.
Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, May 9th. And I don't know what day it is anymore or what a date, whatever. Anyway, today we're going to, well, we already had breakfast. Well, actually, I woke up at 8 o'clock today.
Got up?
I got up, went pee, went back in bed.
What time did you get up?
Tried to go back to sleep, but I couldn't because the two dogs kept jumping on the bed. So I got up at 9 or 9:20, and then we started cooking, and then we had lunch at like 10 or 10:30, I don't know. Oh shoot, did my phone ring?
No.
Oh, I'm expecting a call.
Oh yeah, you missed 2 calls.
Oh shoot. Let me get back to you guys.
Didn't you talk to him already?
No. We'll be back. I gotta call back this person. Okay. All right, later. While I'm waiting for the person to call me back, today I'm going to be doing Deza's hair today. She's going to get a balayage. Wish me luck. It's my first time trying to do it, so don't come after me. I'm not a professional. I'm just, you know. Oh, it's calling me back.
Few moments later.
Okay, I'm back. Where was I before I was interrupted? Gonna get started with her balayage. Are you excited? She's excited. Hopefully I don't mess it up.
Oh no!
Now it's the perfect time to mess it up because we're staying home anyways.
Yeah. Alright, fingers crossed, guys. So here's the mixture. It's the developer and the lightener. I figured out that what we were using wasn't bleach. It was like blonde hair dye, so it's not gonna get like super blonde, but at least it's not gonna be like a harsh, you know, transition. And then if you want it lighter, we can do it again with real bleach. Took forever, my back hurts and my legs.
Babe. Thank you.
You're welcome. Really looks good. What time are you gonna wash it off?
4:30.
You have 10 minutes.
Peace out.
Okay.
2 hours later.
It didn't turn out as light as we wanted, so we're at Trader Joe's. Well, pumunta kami kanina sa Sally Beauty to buy bleach. I don't know if you could hear me. Nice beat. Thank you. Tipsy. Okay.
Few moments later.
Okay, we're back home. Here is what we got from Trader Joe's. We got a couple things here. So we got this cauliflower pizza crust. Haven't tried it yet, so hopefully this is good. Just put some toppings and stuff. Got this jerk chicken thigh skewers. Hopefully this is good too. Got some prosciutto because Deza bought some wine. Where do I put this? And we got some salmon. We got two do we get? Oh, I got some roasted corn. Got chicken soup dumplings. Brie cheese for the wine. Deza wanted to try the suja. Celery juice? Why'd you get celery juice?
Because I wanted to try it.
Oh, you get this one. And then you got lemon ginger. They didn't have the mango one or like the strawberry one?
No, I was looking for the strawberry one because I know you like the strawberry one.
Got the blueberry and goat cheese. What else is in here? More cheese.
Sorry.
Herb and goat cheese. More corn. What else is in here? No more. Okay. First box done. Next next bag. We got chicken tikka masala. Ang arte. Ang arte yung pagsabi ko, no? Masala.
Right? You're so arte.
Heavy whipping cream. Deza got this. She needed sweets. Peanut butter cups, dark chocolate. Okay, then we got some avocados. Arte did avocados. Ooh, ube ice cream. Can you put this in the... And we got the...
I need to sanitize.
Ooh, I didn't know Trader Joe's had ube ice cream. Is that new? It's the first time I saw it.
First time I saw it there.
Yeah. And then we got some salads. Got two. One for each of us. What's this? Oh, cherries. Oh, these are red. They don't have the dark ones?
No.
Interesting. Next bag. We got corn puffs. White cheddar flavored. That's our favorite kind. What's this? Oh, I bought some macadamia nuts. This is what I like to snack on. And here's the wine. I don't want to take all that out. There's a lot. She bought 3.
What did you try and say?
She got, okay. We got our usual, which is the Moscato Villa Elena.
Ever.
I highly recommend it. I like it too. She got 2 of those. I mean, we got 2 of those. And I was gonna say she again. And then what's the other one? Oh no, the other one is the rosé. Can you help me? Oh. Okay. And then we got the rosé one. I haven't tried this one, so. Oh, and then we got a big ass watermelon.
It's just $4, so.
Thanks for watching our haul. Now she's sanitizing everything. And we still gotta wash those. Yeah. Please ignore the pots there.
I wash it every night. So don't judge me, I'm busy today. I've been sitting for 3 hours.
And I've been standing for 3 hours.
So don't judge us.
Oh, let me do a quick haul of what we bought at Sally. Hey, Dudoogs!
They're so worried. They're probably not used to us being away.
Yeah. So, from Sally Beauty, got this balayage lightener. So, I think this is like, you know, the powder that you mix with the developer. So we stocked up on the powder so we don't have to keep going to the store to buy more. And then we also bought the developer. Why do I have an accent all of a sudden?
Why do you have an accent?
We got the balayage developer for to mix with the lightener. I'm not sure what volume this is. 30?
Yeah.
And I'm so excited to use this one. I'm so excited to use this one. I got this balayage board with a brush. Hopefully the brush is soft and it's good. We'll see. I'll show you her hair. It did get light. It wasn't as light as we planned. And you know, it's not that obvious that she got a balayage. So we're gonna try it again tomorrow. Wish me luck. You can stand again for another 3 hours. And she's gonna sit down for another 3 hours. We're gonna eat now because we grabbed some food from Popeyes. We got their chicken sandwich because I'm too tired to cook anything right now.
Did you show them my favorite peanut butter cups?
Yes, I did show them.
Best peanut butter cups ever.
Yeah, I like them too, and I don't really like dark chocolate.
Yeah, so. And it's healthier than Reese's Pieces.
Okay. Let me show you her hair. Go like that. Right.
Wala po akong pera.
So, I mean, it got lighter here on the bottom. If you can see, like, some of a little bit of like the highlights here at the top and stuff. So we just gotta make it lighter. At least you have like different shades now in your hair. So it's not like all...
It's pretty, it's just, I just want it to be a little lighter.
Yeah. But I'm sure it'll look better tomorrow.
And I don't need to pay.
Did you miss us, Cody? You look so sad, boo. We're home, come here. Come here, boo-boo. It's okay. Oh, okay. Oh, you too?
Where'd you guys go?
Oh, it's okay.
Nagbura.
Ano sabi mo, Kat?
Nagkilay na ako. Yeah.
Before that.
Naligo ka na?
Of course, kagabi. Si Easy.
Hindi sumasagot si Easy eh.
Naririnig ka ni Garrick, nagre-react siya. Garrick, 2 times a day ako naliligo. It's just that this morning, hindi ko pa. Bilang 41 degrees ang heat index sa Pilipinas. Grabe, ano ba temperature dyan sa inyo?
Mainit na din dito, madam.
Mainit na din? Ano, hindi ko makita yung, hindi ko makita yung kilay mo. Sige, sewet. Kaya pala sabi sa akin, okay lang na hindi magkilay.
Madam, kasi unlike Kat, kakaligo ko lang.
Tomorrow.
Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday. I am currently cooking lunch. We woke up. Well, I woke up kind of late. No. I woke up at like 8 and then went back to sleep. And then I went back to sleep at 9 and then I woke up at 10. So now I'm just cooking lunch, which is also going to be our breakfast. And I'm cooking some Cajun shrimp, a la boiling crab recipe. I'm just gonna put the shrimp. I got this on Amazon. I usually get my shrimp at like Costco or Seafood City, but we haven't gone, so I just got it on Amazon, and these are small shrimp. Oh well, it should taste the same. There we go. Put that for 2 minutes, and then here's the sauce. Here's the sauce that I made for this. Should go on top. Ooh. And here's some that's already cooked. And then I added some sausages and stuff. Oh my god, that looks so good on camera. It's a finished product. And I'm heating up some corn just for like an extra side. Some roasted corn. And now it's time to put on the sauce. More butter, more better. Kain, guys. Yeah. We got Happy Lemon too. We ordered it yesterday, so this is like leftover. Well, we ordered 2 and this was my second one.
Yeah, because their shipping is $6. This is just like 1 drink.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna eat now. We're starving.
Few moments later.
Okay, we just came back from Sally Beauty. We had to go back because we were missing something. Okay, we're gonna start doing this, guys. I'm excited.
Wish is luck!
Tell me, keep your smile, and I love you forever and a while.
See, this is what I was looking for. Our ghetto cake.
Getting those miles in. This thing got good use. I've heard that people are making home gyms.
Bleach na to, huh? This is no turning back. Later.
Like the morning rush.
It lightened. Just waiting for this
Definitely
to get done, and then we're gonna rinse it all, and then I'll put toner.
Oh shit, we're not done yet?
No.
Still stuck in the living room.
Alright, so I just put the toner in her hair, and I actually kind of like the tone of it, so it's not as like orangey blonde. So we'll see how it goes when she washes it off. Are you excited?
Yeah.
After
6 hours.
almost 6 hours, guys. Oh man.
Butt hurts.
I have a newfound appreciation for hairdressers.
Yes. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
How do you like it?
I love it.
Well, you can't really tell, it's dark here. I don't know if you can tell, but see, it gets lighter down there.
Good job. Thank you. That's a wrap for this weekend.
Thanks for watching, guys. I'm tired. And we haven't even eaten dinner yet. What time is it, 9?
Yeah. I mean, it's not that bad.
Okay.
It's not that late.
Bye, guys. Good night.
Bye. Good night.
Good night, guys.
What do you think of my hair?
Cody. I like it. Oops.